Welcome to the State of the Market for Law Firm Sales in 7 minutes. My name is Jeremy Poock and I lead Senior Attorney Match. In today's In 7 minutes, we have a spotlight series on trial attorneys, and we'll be addressing succession planning for trial attorneys and the benefits of attorney fee deferral strategies. I'm very excited to welcome a guest today, Sam Dolce from Milestone. Sam, welcome. Please introduce yourself.
Thank you for having me, Jeremy. So as you said, my name is Sam Dolce. I'm an attorney with Milestone Consulting. At Milestone, we do all sorts of things. We do qualified settlement fund administration. We do settlement planning directly with plaintiffs. And we also help attorneys plan their fees. And so today I'm going to talk really briefly about that, some of the pros, some of the cons, and hopefully get done in 7 minutes. That was my promise to Jeremy.
There we go. So, when it comes to succession planning for trial attorneys, really three options that our clients have when it comes to selling their law practices. Our preferred option is join a growing law firm. The potential option is structure an internal succession plan, and the risky one is to maintain your status quo. In joining a growing law firm and structuring an internal plan, our deal structure typically involves fee sharing over time. And normally, our clients are incurring regular income when they are fee sharing with the firms that they join or the firms that they're continuing with. So, Sam, really interested to know about the benefits of attorney fee deferral strategies that Milestone offers to its clients, including its clients that are considering retiring or selling their practices.
Great. So I just want to work through three benefits and then two cons of our Fee Master program. The first benefit is you can actually customize when you're going to be receiving your fees. And so we build a specialty trust and you can pool your fees within that account and spread them over a period of time, actually schedule your payments. The second one is during the interim, your funds can be placed with a third-party investment advisor. And so typically we would do the advisor you've worked with for years and years, and they're investing your funds pre-tax. So instead of investing, if there's $1 million fee and you're taking it and post-tax, it's $500,000, you're able to invest the full million. So you're able to get more bang for your buck. And then lastly, you can actually stretch the payment over a period of time, period of years. So let's say you received 20 referral fees in 1 year, it equals $1 million. With the first benefit, we're able to pool those and schedule out our payments. With the second benefit, we're able to invest it with our own financial advisor. You're able to grow it over a period of years and then have it received over that time. And so what we're talking about is instead of having $1 million hit in 1 year when you are 65, you can have it come to you in ways of $100,000 payments while it's being invested pre-tax by your advisor. So it's attorney fee structure, attorney fee deferral. People have many names for it, but this is a very popular strategy with a lot of leading plaintiff attorneys.
Great. And Sam, you were going to mention a couple of cons as well associated with it.
And so the first con is liquidity. So the structure itself is fixed. And so when you, it's completely customizable. It has to be determinable and paid during your lifetime. Those are the only limitations. So it can be, 10% of the account or $100,000 per year. But once you set it, the schedule is set. And so that is one of the drawbacks, right? And then, frankly, the second drawback is it goes in as an attorney fee and it comes out as an attorney fee. So when you receive the payments from it, they're going to be received as ordinary income. You don't get the benefit of capital gains tax on the growth of the fund.
Got it. But just to add in terms of what we're typically structuring for our clients when they're getting paid that fee sharing over time, I distinctly remember in law school in a tax class, the three T's of taxes: timing, timing, and timing. And Sam, what Milestone does with this deferral strategy is we can at least defer the taxes as those funds, as those fees are growing per what you just explained. So Sam, if you could also share with us qualified settlement fund, if you could share with us the mechanics, you explain the benefits, but what are the mechanics of a qualified settlement fund?
So this is really the backbone of the fee deferral. So you can create a qualified settlement fund around a case or a series of cases. So it's and any number of claims can be placed in the fund as long as they share some degree of commonality. And that commonality can be claim type, can be the law firm, can be the region it worked in, or all three. So let's say, for example, you do car accident cases in the New England region and they're all being handled by your law firm, well, we likely can build a qualified settlement fund around those cases. They can be pooled together in that fund. Your client can take time to do planning. And the great part is when it's in that fund, it's not yet received. And so that's why we're able to plan deferrals and really figure out what your strategy is going to be for receiving that income over time.
Terrific. So then for today's buzzer beater, succession planning for trial lawyers. As trial lawyers are considering what are their options for how they can sell their practices, two very viable options are join a growing law firm, structure an internal sale. In both of those, the benefits that Milestone can provide includes the attorney fee deferral strategies. And Sam, if you can just remind us about those three benefits.
Yeah, so it's pretty simple. You can pool all your referral fees into one specialty trust. Then you can structure them into a schedule of payments, so it spreads that income over a period of years, and you can have your own financial advisor investing those funds pre-tax the entire time.
Terrific. And I can just really highlight, Sam, that our experience in getting to know you with Milestone, this is a tremendous benefit to lawyers that would otherwise be receiving their fees on that fee sharing that we help structure for them, that they can defer it over time, defer the taxes, invest the monies together with a qualified settlement fund. So, Sam Dolce from Milestone, thank you so much for joining today's State of the Market for Law Firm Sales.
Thank you for having me. We've done this for many people over the past years, and we'll do it for many more, and maybe we'll do it for some of you guys too. Thanks for.
Terrific. Great, Sam. Thanks so much.